Subway Surfers, man.
Oh yeah, I played that game.
Friggin' shit! You see that bullshit?
Yeah. You just gotta keep trying. Practice will make you better. How long have you been playing?
Like friggin' just now, and I suck balls.
You'll get better. So you grab that. There you go.
I'm gonna friggin' die.
Oh, you got it.
Come on. No. Oh my. Oh my god, literally this game is so bad. I can't do anything. The game's trash. The developers don't know how to make a game. Whoever made this game sucks. They don't even know.
I find it fun. Just give it a chance.
I can't. Like literally, like it's stupid. Like I'm fucking done.
No. What are you doing? Come on, don't.
See this? See this?
Don't. Oh.
See that?
Oh God. No, come on. Okay, it's had enough. It's. No, don't.
Subway Surfers?
Don't.
Fuck you.
No, don't. Oh.
See?
No.
Subway Surfers? Fuck you.
What are you doing? Oh my God. It was your new phone.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, what did you do?